lighting the fire with fuel tanks on your wings.
Pete the cat and the banana. Right, jeez.
They may be old, but they'll let you scoop water right off the lake.
You're goofing on me. Give me new ones?
New? We don't even know what that word means around here. I read
Pete the cat is eating banana.
They're better
Pete
than
loves
people
bananas.
go.
They are sweet and tasty and easy to peel.
Pop the wheels.
Every morning, Pete puts a banana in his cereal. Sometimes Pete puts a banana in his peanut butter sandwich.
Just like the Jolly Ranchers.
But one day,
So what's the
he
deal? What do you
eats
have to do to get your
a
picture?
bad banana.
Crash.
Banana is gross. Banana is mushy. Banana is yucky. Pete's tummy hurts. I will not eat bananas again. Pete told his mom.
They fly in when others are flying out.
Pete's mom tries to help. She bakes Pete's favorite banana bread.
Wildfire means flying low.
Pete would
That's
not
why
touch
we
it.
have all kinds of gadgets. Our own little obstacle.
She's made Pete a
All you
banana
gotta do is
cream
stay on
pie.
the rim, and
Pete
when
will
you get
not
your
eat
bread,
it.
Fly under and pull out.
Flying low. No problem.
She gives
Overconfident.
Pete a big
Kind of
banana
attitude
split.
that can get you killed.
No thanks, he says. Instead, Pete tries lemon. It is yellow like a banana. Pete tastes it. Yuck, says Pete. The lemon is sour. Oh! Ooze! Pete tries a pickle. It is not like a banana. Pete tastes it. Better, he says. But not as good as the banana. Pete tries an orange. It is to be peeled like a banana. The orange is sweet, but it is too juicy. It makes Pete's paw sticky. Pete tries fish, plums, rice, hot dogs, watermelon, and his mom's nut bread. Pete eats it all. He is not hungry for bananas anymore. Too early. Too high. Too slow.
Those crops, they die a lot.
There comes the big race. What should Pete have for breakfast? A pickle. No, Pete doesn't eat pickles for breakfast.
Now increase your airspeed. Red light.
A hot dog.
Let's go.
No, Pete just a hot dog for dinner last night. Oh, don't worry, I go.
Push it, you're not gonna make it. And you
11.
certified.
No, just a silly. Pete wants a banana. The yummy healthy bananas are the best. Do you have another banana?
Good job.
Pete asks. Of course, they Craig and the monkey. Oh, of course, does he?
Hey, Skipper.
Pete peels banana slowly. It is not brown. It is not mushy. Pete takes a tiny bite. It is yummy banana. It is the best banana ever. Thanks to Gray and his banana, Pete wins the race. Pete eats bananas for bananas. The end.